Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to cancel Uber Eats subscription. In order to do this, first of all, open your Uber Eats application. Then at default, you'll be on your home page. Here, click on your account option, that is the bottom right option on your screen. So click on account and you'll be on this page. Here you'll see a list of different options. Under this, you'll have to search for an option saying Uber One. Click on this and you will see this page. So when you click on Uber One, this is going to show you your current subscription and the exclusive offers and benefits associated with this subscription. Now scroll down and you will see a manage membership page. Click on this manage membership option and you will see this page. On this page, you will see your Uber One account, your current plan and payment details. Then at the end of this page, you will see an option saying end membership under manage membership. Click on end membership. When you click on this, this is going to take you to this page. On this page, you'll have to choose why do you want to end your membership. You can choose any one of these options according to your preference, or you can also choose something else. Then click on continue. After you click on continue, you will see a page saying you saved this much since joining Uber One. You'll have to click on continue, click on end Uber One again on this page. When you click on end Uber One, this will take you back to your Uber Eats page and your Uber Eats subscription would have been cancelled. So that's how you can cancel Uber Eats subscription. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.